Greetings from Sakturi Beach. This is the closest beach to the port of Rhodos. Yes, that's right. Rhodos is one of the most important port cities in the Mediterranean for most of the cruises on the cruise ships that sail on the Greek islands or just Mediterranean cruises as well. And yeah, so this is probably one of the few cities where you can just jump off the cruise and then go into a beach that is right next to the Old Town of Rhodos, where I have taken a walk earlier today. And we can see also from here most of the gates uh, and the fort that Rhodos city was surrounded by, even all the way to the Colossus of Rhodes in that direction. That is obviously not existent anymore today, but it used to be, well, it still is one of the 7 ancient world wonders. There are at least 2 cruise ships today, as I can see. One that is called X. I'm not really sure what that is, but I have heard some Americans on this beach today. And there is one Mano cruise, a smaller cruise ship. And I know that the company that I was traveling with to the Caribbean on a cruise and through the Panama Canal, NCL, I know they have Rhodos or Rhodes as their port on many of their Mediterranean cruises. Now, this Sakturi beach is quite a small beach, but a sandy one, as I didn't think there are sandy beaches here on the north part of Rhodos, as the 3 beaches that I was already on were stones with pebbles, and this one has lots of movement on along the beach promenade, as it's obviously from the closest to the port and people are just walking here. And I guess now people need to go back to their ship, as it is now 5:26 p.m. So I'm assuming they will be leaving, departing after 6 sometime soon. And yeah, it is 22 degrees also this late in the afternoon, a bit warmer than it was earlier today. It was just 21 degrees earlier. And yes, this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and it's time for me to have another swim today. Earlier today I was at Acti, let's see, how was it called? I don't remember the name. Just quickly double check, as there are so many beaches and I forget their name, but you can enjoy it well on the Paralia Acti Canari, yes. I was earlier today, and we can see also one pirate ship that is right here right now, and another, is that catamaran, or yeah, Dodekanissos Sea Race, and the walls of the city of Rhodes. So okay, let's now have a swim here and see how it is inside. But it's a very small beach. I would not come here for a full day here because it's too crowded and too noisy, and it's not just people walking but also cars passing by as well. So it is not optimal here if you want peace and quiet. The beach that I was early on today, Paralia Canari, Acti Canari, it was quite chill and no sounds of any type of traffic. Alright, with this view and this Temp also as well, look at that. It's quite nice. Swim here today, quite nice. And beautiful view as well of the old city of Rhodes. I'm just gonna continue, I keep continuing saying Rhodos, as Rhodes doesn't feel like natural to me. So it's Rhodos, because that's the Greek name as well, and the name in many other languages except English. So are we ready for another beach adventure and swim in Rhodos? Let's go! The water is clean despite all these ships and boats. So Feels very weird, but also great at the same time. Nobody's in the water except me, but I am used to that, to be the only person taking a swim. So the satellite measurement says that the water temperature in the sea is 18.7 degrees Celsius, which is reasonable. I think it's slightly warmer than that, the actual one. But yeah, the closest beach this is to the port of Rhodos. If you are coming here on a cruise, this is what you can enjoy in if you don't want to go to further beaches or taking any tours. And something I have stepped on now, it looked like a crab. I mean, it felt like a crab, but my feet is not hurt anymore. So, I mean, it didn't bite me or sting me or what's it called, touched me. But yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna be checking more of the city here. There are lots of tourists in the city, I guess, because of the cruisers that have come here today. And with this wonderful view of Sakturi beach, that is this one, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure and this beach vlog from Rhodos. Looks amazing, even though it's a bit noisy with traffic and people passing by. Still, cool. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.